Now, the key focus sector-wise this week has been tech. But before we talk about tech and the current pattern I'm seeing, I want to show some prior examples of what I've been articulating with the Qs and the S&P. So firstly, let's look at materials. So materials, I'm going to delete everything here, but we saw a similar channel, just like we saw with most major sectors right now and most of the major markets. We just saw this very clear upward channel. But what we saw at the end of July was the first sector, which was materials, to actually break the support area and shift out of this channel. And what I mentioned before, you don't really see sectors or major markets breaking above it and making that become support because it's too much, it's just too much momentum for a major sector, major market to kind of hold on to, where a name like NVIDIA or Apple can do that because it's just one individual company. But we did see this break of support. And since then, we've now started to see a shift out of, and I'm going to keep some of these lines here just so you can see the transition from these stages. So I'm going to keep this green so it's consistent. Now moving on, biotechs, we saw somewhat almost the same, but just not quite ready yet. So we can see the broader channel it's been in, same as materials, same as the Qs, same as S&P. And last week we saw the first break below that support, but it quickly snapped back higher, back into the range. So it's safe now. We can just move this trend line out a little bit. And now this is the new trend line. But it was getting kind of close there. And if it did roll over lower, maybe we saw that sideways action. We saw materials. But then we also again saw this failed breakout. This little breakout here comes right back into support. No buyers are dying to buy this right now. So now that we're seeing this tech hugging support, maybe, just maybe, we do need to see a tiny little breakdown of the support area